Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some more incoming Happy Mail. And on this video, we're going to be showing this embellishment box that my friend Delia sent me. We decided to do a swap on these boxes. And if you guys don't know what these are, they've been floating around Instagram for quite some time now. And these little boxes are from Dollar Tree. And what you do is that you fill the little boxes up with crinkle paper and a bunch of little goodies for your pal. So I wanted to share with you guys the one that she sent me because it's super cute, and why wouldn't I want to share? So she put my name up here. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to see the one that I sent her, it's not the same shape because I couldn't find mine in my Dollar Tree, but I did find some similar ones that I think I've previously posted, but I made her one in those little boxes, and you guys can check that out on my Instagram. The links will be down below, and I'll also link down below Delia's Instagram because she recently opened up an Instagram just for her craft goodies, which is amazing. So definitely go check her out and give her a little follow and tell her that I sent you. But this is what she sent me, and you guys, how cute is this? Super girly and fun. I love how she decorated the box on the outside, and when you open it up, look how nice and stuffed it is. How cute. And I'm going to be bringing everything up so that you guys can see, because I think I'm a little high up, but I don't want to shake too much the camera. So she sent me this cute little shaker. Fix the focus so you guys can see everything. How cute is that little shaker she made? I love these little mini shakers. She also sent me on this little box right here. Let's take everything out. She sent me a bunch of cute little stickers. I love these little coffee cup ones. You have a little heart. Cute little ice cream. This one that says just us. This one says, I think of you and smile. Friends for life. Some more little hearts. This cute little cupcake. Partner in crime. How cute are these little donuts? And another one of those little coffee cups. Super cute stickers. I love how girly and fun they are. I'm just gonna put them all over here. And then in this little pocket right here, she sent me some clips. She sent me some little watermelon cutouts, pineapple cutouts, and some flamingos. And then there's this, let me dig in here, these cute little pencils and a cute little tassel. And then in this one, so fun digging in through all the little goodies and stuff. So we have, oops, I think there's like a helicopter flying over me right now, and if you hear it, I apologize. If you don't, then you think I'm just crazy. So she sent me a bunch of clips. They look like this. Such a pretty variety. Isn't that cute, you guys? And the theme of our box was pink and that teal. So that's why there's a lot of pink and teal. Okay, and then in this one, we have some really pretty buttons. And this cute little jar, which I love to put like little, oh, I think she had it filled with beads, but they fell out. So she had this cute little jar filled with little beads, but they're all in there. I'm gonna have to fix that. And then there's some buttons. How cute are these buttons, you guys? Aren't those the cutest? And then here's some cute little tags. Let me take some of this crinkle paper out. Cute little tags. And then a bunch of more little buttons, which I love. They're so cute. She sent me 2 little jars of sequins. You can never go wrong with sequins. And then here she sent me some stickers, some washi, little donut stickers. I love donut stickers. And here's some a little thing of ribbon. How cute and tiny is that? I've never seen something so small like that. And then over here, some pom-poms. She made a clip out of the pom-pom. And these super cute, like little sweets. How cute are these? Love these. Some more little pom-poms in there. And then in this one, we have some more little pom-poms, some little floral ribbon, little die cuts, a little wood veneer, a little heart clip. You guys, you can stuff these little boxes with so many goodies. And then there's like some more washi, some more little buttons. She even sent me some more stickers and little sticky notes. Oops. And then lastly, there's another little washi. Here's another one, and this cute little heart stamp. But yeah, you guys, that's everything that I got in my little embellishment box from my friend Delia. If you guys haven't tried these, you definitely should. They're so much fun to make. You could just throw in so many things and make them so many themes. Birthday theme, Valentine's Day, anything you want. But yeah, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.